Eating apples is generally considered to be a healthy and beneficial dietary choice. However, there are a few situations where eating apples may not be ideal or may need to be moderated. Here are some reasons why someone might consider apples to be less suitable for their specific circumstances. 1. Allergies or intolerances. Some individuals may have allergies or intolerances to apples or certain components found in apples, such as pollen or certain proteins. In such cases, consuming apples can lead to allergic reactions or digestive issues. 2. Dental health. While apples are a healthy fruit, they are also acidic and contain natural sugars. Eating apples can contribute to tooth enamel erosion and dental decay, particularly if one consumes excessive amounts or does not practice proper oral hygiene. 3. Specific medical conditions. In certain medical conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or gastrointestinal disorders, apples may be poorly tolerated due to their high fiber content. The fiber in apples can cause discomfort or exacerbate symptoms like bloating, gas, or abdominal pain. 4. Pesticide residue. Conventionally grown apples are often treated with pesticides to protect against pests and diseases. Concerns about pesticide residues on the skin of apples have led some individuals to opt for organic apples or to thoroughly wash and peel conventionally grown apples to minimize exposure. It's important to note that for the majority of people, apples are a nutritious and healthy food choice. They are rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and are associated with various health benefits, including improved heart health, digestion, and weight management. As with any dietary considerations, individual circumstances and health conditions can vary. If you have concerns or specific dietary needs, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. Thanks for watching.